Actually, minention kong student kanina nag-part-time. Part-time siya. Iniwan niya yung family niya dito ha. May anak siya. Part-time siya. Ang dami niyang part-time during her studies. And then, nakagraduate na siya. Eventually, ang naging program niya is marketing management, if I'm not
Okay.
mistaken. And then now she's working in a good marketing company in Canada. So, lagi namang sipag at syaga lang yan. Because
Yes.
if the student, yes, nag-aral ka, nakagraduate ka, but if you're not persistent in looking for a job that fits your skills, then, of course, you wouldn't be, as successful as others. So, kahit naman dito sa Pilipinas, mahirap maghanap ng trabaho again.
Yes.
Diba? So, in
Kahit
Canada,
ano na.
in Canada, basta may skills ka at masipag ka, that you believe in your skills, then you will be able to land a job.
All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Hive Live podcast, wherein we talk with our respective representative from our partner institutions from across the globe. And today, we are honored to have one of the most popular institutions, especially in animation program in Ontario, Canada. So if you want to learn about studying, working, and living in Canada, especially with Sheridan College, today we have Miss Kit, the country representative of the institution, to talk more about the school. Miss Kit, would you like to introduce yourself?
Of course. Hello, everybody. I'm Keith, the country representative of Sheridan here in the Philippines, or for all Filipino students, wherever you are, whether you're in Asia, Europe, America, as long as you're a Filipino citizen, I'm the person to go to. So, hello, everybody. I'm excited to talk about Sheridan College today. And yeah, let's see what comes out for
Ma'am,
during this session.
nakaka naman yung accent niyo, ma'am. Sorry. Ang tigas ng accent ko yung kay ma'am, parang may pagka-British, ma'am. So, ma'am, before we dive into your institution about Sheridan College, can you share a story about yourself? Paano ka ba nagsimulang maging representative? Gaano ka nakatagal with
Juicy.
gaano ka nakatagal with the
Yeah.
institution?
In this industry, in the international education industry, medyo matagal na. I would say more than 5 years. In the sales industry, medyo matagal na. Matanda na ako.
Ilan taon na ba?
So,
Hindi
medyo
mo mahalata,
matagal na.
ma'am.
But yeah, I've been an educator ever since I graduated. So, and now, of course, I'm one of the persons who I hope inspires students to push for their international education, as this benefits them in the long run and in their future, of course. So, yes, if nagtataka kayo, again, I represent Sheridan, and I'm the best person to talk to about Sheridan College, and ECC is here to guide you all throughout your journey.
Pero ano, ma'am, alam mo ba kung ilang years ka na dito kay Sheridan
Kay
College?
Sheridan, I'm going 3 years.
Oh,
So,
matagal
matagal
na
na din,
rin.
yes. And yeah, it's been a good journey with Sheridan. I've learned a lot as well. And I'm proud because I wouldn't stay if hindi
Yeah.
maganda si Sheridan. Yung
Paano-
quality na pinaprovide ni Sheridan.
Opo, paano niyo, ma'am, na-discover ba si Sheridan College?
Yeah, as mentioned, ever since nasa industry naman ako. So, we're partners with Sheridan ever since. And yeah, and then Sheridan made an opportunity for me to explore my expertise in this area.
Okay, so parang ganito, ma'am, parang nasa ganitong industry.
Yes,
Like
yes.
parang agents.
Yes, industry rin
Ah.
talaga. So,
Okay.
it's really, it's really an eye-opening for me because I was able to learn more about Sheridan. That is snippets lang. So ngayon, it's really, a full picture of Sheridan, which I love, definitely.
Actually, ma'am, same naman with you. I'm a fresh grad before this is
okay.
my first job. And actually, hindi ko alam yung industry na parang,
yes.
okay, trabaho pala may work pala talaga for study work leave in Canada.
Yes,
Like
correct.
sending students
Yep.
or to other countries. Akala ko, kunwari ako as a student gusto kong mag-abroad. Ako lang
You're on
mag-e-effort.
your own,
Yes,
you're on
hindi
your
ko
own.
alam na may mga tumutulong pala talaga
Yes.
for them. So, ayun, nung nalaman ko may mga representative pala yung mga schools, and then yun nga, napakarami palang agencies na nagsisend ng students abroad. So,
Yes.
and parang gusto ko na lang, charot, hindi naman. So, what you love the most about Sheridan?
Actually, I cannot single out one thing about
Wow.
Sheridan. First, kasi the location ng Sheridan,
Mm.
very strategic siya, no? So, when you fly from Manila to Canada, it's a 14-hour flight. Direct
Okay.
flight meron. And then from the airport, very near lang sa Sheridan. Around 15 minutes from the airport. So, sobrang
Mm.
lapit niya lang and very accessible siya. So, I think one of the things that I love the most about Sheridan is its location. And then, one of our campuses is strategically located in Mississauga. And Mississauga, yung actual campus namin, it's right across the biggest mall in Ontario. So it provides lots of opportunities for students, and also it's not just opportunity, but yung social or leisure time ng mga students,
Yeah.
no, hindi lang puro aral, 'di ba? They get to experience that, especially 'di ba sa Asia or in Philippines, ang lalaki ng malls.
Yes.
Sa atin ayan, tapat lang natin, 'di ba? May mall. So if you are a Filipino, tapos nandun ka sa Sheridan, hindi ka ganun maho-homesick kasi
Mm.
you get a piece of home in the
Okay.
area. And yung Mississauga area specifically, ang laki ng Filipino community doon. So, location-wise, yes, going back,
Mm.
that's what I love the most about Sheridan.
So, ma'am, since you talk about location, so describe mo na rin yung overall feels kapag nandun yung student. Ano ba yung atmosphere?
Yes.
Even kung describe mo din yung like yung living, even the cost of living if you
Yeah,
can.
yeah.
So, describe mo na yung ano ba yung i-expect ni student pag
Yeah,
dumating sila doon.
of course. So, si Sheridan, it's within the Greater Toronto area. So, this is Toronto. Toronto para siyang Metro Manila. Parang ganun lang, no, in comparison. And kami yung nasa parang nasa gilid ng Toronto, no. So, it's within the Greater Toronto area. So, hindi ganun kasing taas ng cost of living, but at the same time, you get a piece of city life, no, in our campuses. Our campuses are located in Brampton, Mississauga, and Oakville. Siguro if environment wise, si Mississauga ayon para puro Filipino community siya. Si Brampton para siyang very very business like yung environment niya. In Oakville, I would always compare it to Nuvali. 'Di ba yung area parang medyo lax, na maraming field, ganyan. That's where I compare our Oakville campuses. In general, they're close to each other. 20 minutes away from each other. 20 to 30 minutes depending where you are coming from. But, yeah, very, alam mo naman, if you're going to compare commute life, especially commute life, di ba?
Traffic.
Yes, napakalaki ng difference in Canada. Tayo, punta lang tayo sa kabilang kanto. It would take us, 30 minutes?
Yes.
Yun, medyo malayo na yung mararating mo. So, that's one thing, the way of life in Canada in general, not just in our campus now, I'm speaking about Canada in general. So, the way of life in Canada is way easier compared to the way of life here in the Philippines. So, it's actually an opportunity for all students to experience a different kind of life, no, in a different kind of, environment without the hassle or the stress of commuting, the traffic. Yeah.
Without corruption din ba yan?
Yes, of course, without the contractors.
Okay. Sige, lipat na tayo talaga ng Canada. Pero, since ano din ma'am, na-talk mo din kanina yung Filipino community kasi, ano naman yung feels ng mga Filipino doon? Meron na ba silang, kunwari, mga fiesta? May mga
Yes.
festival na ba sila doon? And may mga Filipino restaurants na ba? Ganun.
Yes, there's a lot. Actually, no, malaki talaga yung Filipino community sa Mississauga area. Or within the area of Sheridan. Every year, I think this is every August or September, basta during the fall season, nagkakaroon ng parang Philippine community cultural festival within the area. So, a lot of Filipinos join that. Sheridan students are actually invited kasi it's beside where the location is or where the event is happening. So, meron siyang parang mga Filipino food, ayan, tapos may mga konting Filipino games. I
Mm.
have lots of students and Filipino friends who are living within the area who always join the said culture or parang fiesta. It's every year. It's conducted
Nice.
every year. Sheridan is one of the sponsors of that
Ah,
event.
okay.
So we really take pride and we really value the Filipino community. And actually, even dun sa mall na na-mention ko earlier, no? So, when I was in Canada, um, na, nagpunta ako dun sa mall just to buy some stuff.
Mm.
And then, maririnig mo may mga nagtatagalog on your side. So,
Mm.
sabi ko, nasa SM ba ako?
Nasa
So,
MOA ba ako?
yes. So, very, very malaki yung Filipino community. So, again, you wouldn't feel alone that you are an alien in a different
Mm.
country. So, because of the Filipino community, I don't think that Filipinos or future Sheridan students would feel homesick.
Mm. Since sa mis I mean sa and whole community, no, whole place, ano ba, Mississauga ba, ma'am, yung place nyo? Marami Filipino community dun. Pero sa Sheridan mismo, like
Sa
campus,
loob,
oo,
yes,
sa
yes.
loob, marami din po bang Filipinos?
Yes, we do have the so-called PISO. It's a Philippine
Wow.
International Student Organization.
Oh.
So it's called PISO.
Piso.
So that's the organization for Filipino students. So they
Nice.
get to have like bonding, you
Mm.
know, let's say kunwari, Christmas break, ayan, magkakaroon sila ng mini Christmas
Nice.
celebration. So yes, there is a good Filipino community at Sheridan, and of course, international in general. No?
Mm-mm.
Kasi as much as possible, although we understand that it's very nice to have the Filipino community, but it's also better for the students' growth to have the international community as well. So yung mga international students dun, they have their own group to collaborate with each other. So it's a balance of both international and Filipino communities.
Okay, ma'am. Tapusin na natin yung usapan about sa environment, about sa
I
atmosphere.
think na-build up naman
Oo.
natin yun. Yeah.
Doon na tayo sa Sheridan po mismo. Ayan. It's time to showcase your
Yes,
your
Sheridan.
school. So, ano po ba yung mga programs offered? Simulan natin sa programs, ma'am. Ano ba yung mga most popular and syempre yung alam mong maganda yung benefit ni student after graduation.
Actually, Sheridan started as an animation and art school. So that's why we're known in the world as the number one animation school in Canada, and number one animation school in Canada, and number three in the world.
Wow, nice.
So we really take pride on that. No, if our students who are watching, know the K-pop Demon Hunter,
Oh.
yes, that movie was created by an alumni of Sheridan.
Ay, weh.
Yes, yes.
Galing.
It's for real, yeah. So we really take pride in that. And
Ah.
all other movies, we have all other movies, animation movies like Cars, Inside
Nice.
Out. So
Oh.
those famous movies were created by Sheridan alumni.
Wow.
So marami
Galing,
kaming, yes, we're very proud that we have produced quality graduates. But aside from that, no, especially for Filipinos, we offer other programs that will benefit you in terms of the labor shortages in Canada. Syempre, practically speaking, no, not everyone is, kahit ako, I'm not
Ayan.
talented in animation. I'm not even an artist, no? So that's one thing. But of course, Filipino students get to have their wide options for their international studies. One of the programs that we're proud of, or one of the industries that we're proud of that we offer programs for, is healthcare. Of course, we have nursing, personal support worker, social service worker. So those programs have gained popularity in the recent years, no? I would say in the past
Yes.
3-4 years, they've gained popularity. Even today. So that's still one of the nursing, personal support worker,
Yes
there's
po.
still the popular programs being taken by Filipinos at Sheridan. And hindi maaalis syempre yung ating STEM students. So mga technology, and we do have, yes, IT, engineering, yan. So yung mga students natin in those industries, very in demand pa rin when it comes to labor shortages in Canada. hinahanap pa rin yan ng Canadian workforce natin.
Mm.
So, it's your time to shine.
Especially in this AI, di
Yes,
ba,
in
ma'am?
this AI age, no?
Yes.
We're offering programs in artificial intelligence kasi some people would think na kalaban ng AI,
Yes.
diba? Na, we
Oo.
are being replaced by
Yes.
AI. I understand the fear, pero again, we need to go with the flow.
Yes.
So Sheridan has
Adapt.
crafted, yes, has adapted programs that will cater to this age of artificial intelligence.
Yes. So, sa mga interested, ma'am, ano ba yung mga requirements po sa mga sa programs po ni Sheridan?
Yeah, very easy, no? So if you are applying for a diploma program, so undergrad level program, we only need your high school credentials. So your senior high school, your diploma, and your medium of instruction certificate. If you are coming from old curriculum, like me, old curriculum po ako graduate ng high school, you need still your high school credentials plus at least your first 2 years of post-secondary education or yung college. Let's say nakapag-college ka ng 2 years, pwede na yan. Yeah, makakapasa ka pa rin sa diploma program or certificate program ni Sheridan College. Well, for postgrad certificates programs, so we need your university or college transcript, diploma, and medium of instruction certificate. Very easy. The only exemption for medium of instruction certificate is Bachelor of Nursing and Pharmacy Technician because we require IELTS.
Okay.
Other than that, very easy. I'm pretty sure most of our future students already have
Yes.
that document.
Familiar na sila sa MOI.
Yes.
Actually,
Oo.
madami din. Pero madami pa rin yung hindi nakakaalam kasi ng MOI.
Yep.
So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, MOI is Medium of Instruction. Hinihingi lang yan siya sa college or
Sa registrar ng school nyo. doon yung hihingi.
request nyo lang yan. How about, ma'am, naman dun sa mga gustong dalhin yung spouse? Kasi most of the students, di ba, ganun talaga yung tanong. May
Yeah.
mga option ba for Sheridan?
Kay Sheridan, unfortunately, right now, wala pa kaming ganun option. Since Sheridan is a college or Sheridan is one of the polytechnics in Canada, the only schools I would say that would accept students with spouse or dependents are students who are studying masters. But for Sheridan, as of now, wala pa, no. We hope, no, na magkaroon ng change for that because right now Canada is prioritizing the labor shortages. Kung saan may need ng tao dun sa industry nila. So, Sheridan and other colleges would be able to provide the skill needed for those labor shortages.
Okay, nice.
So, they can bring their family after
Yes.
their studies, no? If you study for 1-2 years, tiyaga lang, then you can bring your family when you are already working.
Yes, actually yan din yung parang advice din namin sa mga student kasi syempre sila gusto talaga nila magkakasama sila.
Yes, oo, mahirap.
Pero parang we explain to them na ikaw muna, mag-adjust ka muna, and then when you're ready, when you're capable, saka mo sila
Yes, so
pasunodin.
just nag-work ka na, di ba?
Yes.
So you are able to support your family better kapag nag-work ka na than studying tapos iintindihin mo pa yung
Yes.
family mo. At least they're good here.
And also
Tiis lang.
the proof of funds din po, 'di ba?
Oo,
Mas malaki.
makakamura naman talaga ikaw kapag you're gonna bring your family after your studies.
So that's the best option. Pero kung gusto talaga, 'di ba, masters, pero sa mga universities. But for Sheridan, kahit ikaw lang, madali lang para
Yes.
sa'yo na maka-adjust. Especially malaki yung Filipino community,
Yes.
and then yung mga programs sobrang fit sa labor shortage.
Shortages ng
Yes, ng Canada. Sa ano naman, ma'am, tuition fee.
Yes.
Ano naman yung ina-expect nila? Magkano ba sa Sheridan?
On average, for both diploma and postgrad certificates, on average, mga more or less 20,000 Canadian dollars per year. We still offer entrance scholarships, of course. So,
Tatanong ko na sana.
ayan na yung next, no? So, once you get admitted to the program, you get up to 3,000 Canadian dollars scholarship, depending on the intake where you plan to study or you intend to study. But yes, you would get entrance scholarships.
3,000, ma'am, sorry.
Up
Up
to,
to
yes,
3,000.
up to
Okay.
3,000. Some programs would give you 1,000 off of your tuition fee,
Mm.
2,000, and then 3,000. Usually for diploma and postgrad, mga 2,000 off of their
Mm.
tuition fee on their first year. The good thing about here is, of course, we understand that the money is not, money is not
Yes.
easy, diba?
Of course.
You really have to earn your everything that you're
Yes.
gonna pay for your tuition fee. So Sheridan also offers job opportunities within
Nice.
campus. Part yon ng unlimited hours nila inside campus. So as
Mm-mm.
long as meron silang trabaho, hindi yun makakount towards their 24-hour eligibility.
Mm-mm.
So yung 24 hours sa labas ng campus
Mm-mm.
yun. So yung sa loob ng campus, it's not counted. So they can get as many, part-time jobs as possible.
Kung kaya.
Kung kaya, yes. Sipag at syaga lang din
Yes.
naman for our Filipino students.
Yes. Pero ano po yung mga type ng jobs sa within the campus na
Marami
pwede
actually.
nilang-
Yeah, marami. We have, for example, no, I have this student, May. May got 2 jobs inside the campus. It's admin assistant for tutoring services. So siya yung, may tutoring services kasi si Sheridan. So
Mm-mm.
for those students who have difficult time studying a particular subject. So that job entails to booking students to their corresponded tutors. Ganun lang. Very easy.
Nice.
Magmamatch ka lang ng schedule. Tapos pwede ka rin mag-library assistant. Mga
Okay.
ganyan. And then pwede ka rin maging ambassador.
Mm.
So parang kumukuha ka ng videos, a day in the life of an
Mm.
international student.
Sa mga vlogger pala to.
Yes, pwede rin maging vlog. That's your
Mga
vlogger era.
Yes. Sa mga marketing students.
Yes, yes.
Ano to, parang fit na fit sa kanila.
Yes.
Pero aside from job, aside from scholarship, ano po ba yung mga other support po na binibigay ni Sheridan?
Sheridan, yeah.
May housing po ba kayo? Mental
Yes.
health support? And
Yes, we do have all those
anything.
kinds of support now. Remember, when you are an international student, we value your experience in school. No? So first, residents, we do have, they are being offered in our Brampton and Oakville campuses. So those 2 campuses kasi malaki sila. I would say para silang mga Ateneo levels na campus. No? So talagang may full campus for those 2 cities. So meron ding residence or dormitory dun sa loob ng campuses. So that's one. Another one I mentioned earlier, the tutoring services. So some students have difficult time in their subjects, so they can book a tutoring service.
For free ba yan?
Yes, it's for free. Actually, it's not free kasi they paid their tuition fee, di ba?
Okay.
So, sulitin nyo yung binayad yung
Yes.
tuition fee.
Gamitin nyo lahat
Yes,
ng
gamitin nyo lahat ng
service.
services. Photocopy is free, printing is free, something like that. So, gamitin nyo lahat ng services because again, we want you to take advantage of everything that you've paid for. So aside from tutoring, we have mental health clinic. So you can go to a counselor to guide you if you're having a difficult time probably adjusting to a new culture. What else? We do have sports. Ayan, sa mga students na fond pa rin ng to do
Yes.
sports. Then, yes, meron ding varsity team. Meron ding music team. Ayan, so iba-iba because we want you to experience the full campus experience. And it's something that we're really proud of kasi hindi lang aral ang gagawin ng students, but
May ano bang tawag?
they are students again once they get into Canada.
Yung mga sports music, yun ba yung mga, kumbaga, sa atin, clubs?
Oh, parang clubs, yes.
So,
Parang
kasi,
clubs.
when I was in high school, nung magka-college na ako, yun yung mga nilook forward ko.
Yes, yes.
So, parang mga sasalihan clubs.
Yup,
Then,
yup.
also, ano yung itsura ng cafeteria, ano yung itsura ng
Yes.
library.
Yes.
Speaking of cafeteria, ma'am, ano ba yung mga usual na ino-offer? Kung meron po.
Actually, marami, no? It's all sorts. Of course, wala naman, sorry guys, walang adobo at cat.
Ay, wala.
Pero marami, of course, offering different cuisine, different,
To
types
cater,
of,
ano po,
yes,
diversity.
to cater the
kasi,
international
yes.
taste, no? Yan, may pizza. Kumbaga, may Tim Hortons sa loob ng aming campus.
Nice.
So,
Jollibee, ma'am, meron ba yan?
sayang. But in Square One, yung biggest mall sa tapat ng
Mm.
aming Mississauga campus. May Jollibee doon. So, feel free.
Okay na yun?
Okay na, basta may Jollibee.
Oo. Ayun. So, aside from the clubs, you mentioned also about the sport. May sports scholarship ba for varsity players?
Right now, hindi pa ganun ka-open si Sheridan for
Mm.
sports or other types of scholarships. But we're working on it, and we hope to, aside from this entrance scholarships, we hope to give more financial opportunities or financial scholarships
Yep.
or financial aid for our students in the future.
So, since na napag-usapan natin yung programs, kung paano mag-apply, I mean, yung requirements, once na nandun na sila, ano yung magiging experience nila, doon naman ma'am tayo sa habang pumapasok sila dun sa part-time job, ano yung mga pwede nilang pasukan outside the campus po?
Okay. Si Sheridan, may tinatawag na Sheridan Works. It's a
Mm.
website. You guys can visit, pero usually it's exclusive for Sheridan students.
Okay.
So it's a website where students need to log in, and they will see all part-time and full-time jobs available.
Okay.
No? Kahit yung alumni namin pwedeng gamitin yan. So it's a website where all interested employers who want to hire Sheridan graduates or Sheridan students will post their job openings. To si Sheridan students, dun din sila maghahanap. So
Okay.
that's how we help students, no? Because we value the quality of education at Sheridan, and we want to make sure that Sheridan students are getting the information and getting all the needs that they or information that they need in their career.
Yes,
So part-time
course.
jobs, of course, you need to sustain your living while studying in Canada. So yes, that's how we support students when it comes to finding part-time jobs or even full-time jobs
Yes.
after they graduate.
Sa minimum wage naman ma'am, ano ba yung average po sa
Minimum wage right now is at $70.60 if I'm not
area?
mistaken.
Okay.
So
Per hour.
minimum yun ha, minimum.
Mm-mm.
So you can go more
Beyond,
than
yeah.
that, no? So per hour regardless of your job. Let's say ang job mo is library assistant or let's say marketing assistant sa isang store sa mall. So that's the minimum that you can earn per hour. So if you're gonna compute it, of course mukhang malaki, no?
Mm-mm.
But you have to make sure that you are also valued in your job and that you are getting the value of your skills giving to you're giving to your employer.
Yes. Since ayan na, after graduation naman ma'am, ilang years ba sila pwedeng mag-work sa mga full-time jobs?
Okay, so that depends on the number of years that you've studied. If you studied for 1 year, you can get usually 1 year work permit. But if you studied for 2 years, which we highly recommend, you can
Mm-mm.
get 3 years work permit. So usually, kaya international students would usually get 2 years of duration of studies. So they can get longer work permit and they can work on their careers, diba? They can work on their experience in general. So hence we are prioritizing or we are highly recommending getting a 2-year program. Kasi benefit din nila yun
Yes,
when they graduate.
Si Sheridan ba ma'am, nag-o-offer din ba siya ng, 'di ba may mga on-campus, pero full-time na. Nag-o-offer ba si Sheridan?
Yes, actually a lot of not really a lot, but we have a couple of students who graduated tapos from Sheridan and then nagkaroon ng opening sa loob ng Sheridan. Yes. Actually, some of my teammates who
Ganun
studied
yung
at Sheridan are working full-time now at Sheridan.
Ano naman, baka may share ma'am kayo na success story like like some Filipino students na na-handle nyo or kayo yung talagang tumulong sa kanila din ngayon sobrang successful na. May mga ganong stories ba?
Meron naman. I wouldn't say na sobrang nag-keep in touch kami. But yes, we have students. Actually, minention ko yung student kanina nag-part-time. Part-time siya. Iniwan niya yung family niya dito ha. May anak siya. Part-time siya. Ang dami niyang part-time during her studies. And then, nakagraduate na siya. Eventually, ang naging program niya is marketing management, if I'm not mistaken. And then now she's working in a good marketing company in Canada. So lagi namang sipag at syaga lang yan. Because
Yes.
if the student yes, nag-aral ka, nakagraduate ka, but if you're not persistent in looking for a job that fits your skills, then of course you wouldn't be, as successful as others. So, kahit naman dito sa Pilipinas, mahirap maghanap ng trabaho agad,
Yes.
'di ba? So, in
Kahit
Canada,
ano na.
yeah, in Canada basta may skills ka at masipag ka, that you believe in your skills, then you will be able to land a job.
Nice, nice. And ano naman po ba yung parang sa area, yung cultural diversity po? I mean, ano ba yung pwedeng i-experience ng Filipino student na other cultures
Yeah.
within the area?
Actually, Canada, no, or Toronto, very high in international culture yan, because you'd see a lot of nationalities, ganyan. Pero I would always suggest a student to experience the Canadian culture mismo.
Mm.
Syempre, in the international culture, nandyan yan palagi eh. You're in Canada already. But you immerse yourself in the actual Canadian culture, like visit the famous spots in Canada, Niagara Falls, CN Tower, the vineyards, the Niagara area, very, very beautiful scenic areas. Kasi you would see why Canada is so rich and why Canada is like that because of their culture itself. So, once you immerse yourself in the Canadian culture, you will understand why Canada is so open to accepting international students, to accepting immigrants. And that's something that you will really value. And you don't want to waste that opportunity, lalo na pag nandun kayo.
Mm. Ma'am, nabanggit niyo na nakapunta na kayo ng Canada,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
Ano yung
Couple of
favorite experience niyo ba doon?
Ako, to be honest, the weather.
Weather talaga.
Yes, weather.
Na ano niyo ba, ma'am? Snow, gano'n?
Yes, kasi syempre dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba, kahit
Mainit.
December mainit.
Yes.
Lalamig lang ng mga konti,
Um,
pero mainit talaga sa Pilipinas. But yes, the weather is one of the things that I like. And then na-mention ko kanina yung commute. Kasi dito sa Philippines, parang gusto mo lagi ka naka-car or naka-grab, 'di ba? Parang
Yes.
very very comfortable kahit traffic.
Yes.
Doon kasi
Hindi siksikan.
yes, dun kasi kahit naka-train ka lang, naka-bus, everything
Comfortable.
is comfortable. Tapos, on time palagi. Kapag nakita mo sa Google Maps yung bus dun sa station darating, let's say, ng 6:13 p.m., darating talaga siya ng 6:13
Wow.
p.m. Very
Galing,
rare yung malilate. Or kung malate lang, ilang minutes
Ilang
lang.
minutes lang.
So, yun yung pinakamasarap na part. Kasi, you don't even have to think about, paano ako makakapunta sa ganitong place?
Yes.
No, because everything is connected. Plus the weather. So, alam mo yun, hindi nakaka-hassle mag-commute. Dito, syempre, kahit mag-jeep ka, grabe pa rin ang pawis mo.
Yes.
Diba?
Naranasan niyo, ma'am, yung snow time doon?
Yes. I
Hindi
did.
naman
So,
siya, kasi parang napapanood ko sa social media, like sa sobrang snow, parang medyo, na rin, mahirap.
May mga times na sobrang hirap nung kumilos. Actually, nung unang pumunta, hindi pa nag-snow, pero -1 na yung,
Ay, grabe, lamig na.
yung weather. So, sobrang hirap. Pag snow, syempre may mga times na nag-snowstorm, ganyan. Or talaga nasususpend yung classes. Pero in general, I would say na mas okay pa rin ang weather nila compared sa atin. Masakit kasi yung sa atin eh. Yung weather sa atin eh. So, mas okay pa rin. And then, sa location kasi ni Sheridan, hindi super duper yung snow. There are other provinces in Canada na, imagine, -40. OA yun. Sobrang OA.
Doon ako mamamatay.
Oo, parang mamamatay ka sa lamig. Yung -1 nga lang, di ba? Na, how much more pa yung -40. So, ang hirap.
Parang wag na lang lumabas.
Yes, oo. Pero, yeah, for Filipinos, yes, konting adjustment, of course, when you're there. But, it's something that, you would definitely look forward.
Okay. Ma'am, nabanggit nyo kanina yung sa time, nalimutan kong i-follow up. So, hindi po uso yung kasi sa atin, Filipino time eh.
Ay, naku, hindi.
So, kahit kunwari mga meetings, ganun bang Canadian?
Yes, Canadian culture. Guys, kung pupunta kayo ng Canada at may meeting kayo, please come in early. Because they really value time. Filipinos, nako, siguro sa atin medyo excuse kasi traffic, alam mo yun, di ba? Pero sa Canada, no, it's really different. So, even not just in Canada, but every time you go to a different country, you have to
Mm-mm.
study their culture. So especially if you're gonna live in that country.
Yes,
So it's
it's a
important
yes.
na malaman mo kung ano yung culture nila.
So, ngayon, ma'am, can you give one specific reason why our listeners would choose Sheridan
Sheridan,
College?
syempre. Because I'm here.
Yes.
That's one thing. Second, actually first, the quality of education. We really value the quality of education. Hindi lang kami basta-basta I would say we we screen the applicants really really well. We make sure that you have enough credentials and your background is fit to the program that you're applying for. And yeah, because quality of education at the end ikaw yung mag-reap nun eh.
Mm-mm.
So at the end kapag naka-graduate ka pero wala ka palang enough, enough knowledge na natutunan sa school, then ikaw rin yung magsasuffer.
So, hindi ma'am uso yung parang backer.
Hindi uso
Kailangan,
yan, yes.
kailangan kung
So,
anong qualification.
Kung ano talaga qualifications mo. So, yeah, kahit naman dito sa Pilipinas, no, a lot of schools value the quality. So, the same with us. We want to make sure that we value quality and that the students that we are accepting have enough skills to proceed to especially to their post-grad program. So, that's why we have an amazing admissions team who does the review of the applicants. But on the other hand, of course, we also offer foundational programs for students who want to enter a program but unable to meet the foundational qualifications. So, something to look forward to. Ayoko lang isipin ng audience na, ay, mahirap makapasok sa Sheridan.
Mm-mm.
It's not. You just have to consult with your counselor, with your agent, to make sure that there's a match in your program and with your background.
Mm-mm. Saka, matataas naman yung grades ng
Yes.
Filipinos.
Oo,
So,
typically, yes.
Parang pinakamababa natin, 75. And
Yes.
that's, parang mataas na rin siya sa
Yes,
Canadian
yes. So,
qualification.
nagkakaroon naman ng equivalency
Mm-mm.
kapag nag-submit sila ng application. And sa English, it's not a problem. Unlike other nationalities, it's difficult
Mm-mm.
for them to speak English, di ba? For Filipinos, it's not a problem. So, one thing off of your mind.
Mm-mm. Kasi, takot na takot po talaga yung mga student na mag-IELTS or and then sa Duolingo okay. Pero yung IELTS talaga, parang, wala po bang school na na walang IELTS? Ganun talaga yung tanong ng student. Kaya yung mga schools na nag-o-offer nag-waive,
Waiver,
yes.
yeah,
ng
like us, yeah,
English.
we waive English. Kasi
Oo.
we believe naman na Filipinos are good
Yes.
in English.
MOI lang, sapat
Yes,
na.
yes.
Ma'am, before we end or before we wrap this, I just want to have like a little, hindi naman siya game, pero let's
Sure.
do some acronym.
Fast talk ba?
Hindi naman, ma'am. Parang let's do some acronym. Parang give one word that will
Describe.
yes, Sheridan.
One word?
Hindi, ma'am, parang kunwari S.
Oh my
H.
God, mapapaisip pa ako
Parang
dito.
ganun, ma'am.
Sige.
Sige,
Ang
let's
hirap naman yan. Mas mahirap pa yun sa assignment ko ng college. S. Oh,
super
see?
calculated.
S is, hirap naman nun. Grabe naman. S, super. Because we're super in terms of education, I would say. H,
Ang hirap naman ng H.
have it all. Pwede bang ganun na lang?
Yan. Sure,
Just,
ma'am.
you can have it all at Sheridan because we provide, good
Nice.
services. E, excellent.
Ah.
Excellent education. I always do that. I always repeat that because we really have an excellent
Yes.
education in terms of, what the Canadian workforce is looking for.
R. Rough chart.
Oh my God. R. Relevance.
Nice.
Yes. Wow, saan ko kinuha yun? Relevance. Kasi we make sure that everything that you learn in school will be relevant in your career. Pahirap ng pahirap. Incredible. We have incredible faculty members. Yes, they're really good. So something that, students will look forward to. Industry partners, actually. So, sila talaga yung may experience dun sa trabaho na nililook forward nila. D. Oh my God, ang hirap.
Ubus na yung vocabulary.
Ubus na yung adjectives ko.
Yeah.
The,
Dance. Dance na lang.
I would say drop.
Mm.
Hindi kayo magja-drop, no? But I would say drop all your worries when going to Canada,
Nice.
or when you're taking a leap of faith in
Mm-mm.
studying, because it's all worth it. And then A.
Ang galing.
Ang galing, yes. Pwede pala Tagalog, sige. I would say,
A?
ang hirap na na. A, hala, nahirapan ako. A is, shucks, pass.
Adaptive.
Yes, I would say artificial intelligence.
Yeah, nice.
So, kasi we have a program in artificial intelligence, but at the same time,
Animation.
yes, animation also. You're good. Plus one sa'yo doon. And yeah, do not be afraid of the AI world. And animation, of course, because yes, we're number one in animation. And N is
Last word nyo dapat ba?
never-ending learning.
Eh.
Yes. Kasi even after you graduate, you're still learning. And probably you're learning your way through visa processing,
Yeah.
how to extend your stay in Canada, or you're learning your way through your career in
Yeah.
Canada. So something that we are all looking forward.
Yes. Just like the motto of Sheridan, unlock learning.
Yes, unlock learning, unlock belonging. So very
Unlock,
much like
yeah.
this.
Unlock your dreams.
Yes.
So that's okay. That's all, everyone. We have tackled everything about Sheridan College, from the story of Miss Keith up to the program of Sheridan College. You from before, during, and after your
yes.
experience in Sheridan College, and also the community, the cultural diversity, and even nag-ano pa nga tayo, 'di ba? Dinescribe pa ni Miss Keith yung Sheridan using the Sheridan word itself.
Doon ako nahirapan.
So everything was provided to you. So I guess it's all you need to decide or to discover how good Sheridan College is to your dreams of studying abroad. So that's all. Muli, thank you, Miss Keith,
Thank you,
for
everyone.
for joining us in
Yes.
in our Hive Live podcast. Any last advice or words for our international students?
I would say just now is the time. I always say
Mm.
that now is the time, because do not wait for another policy change in
Yes.
Canada. So if
Oo,
you're
ma'am,
thinking
di pala
to study abroad,
Oo, hindi natin natakal yan, ma'am.
we'll do it next time.
Yes, about the policy changes.
But yeah, if you're looking to if you're looking forward to study abroad, now is the time. Apply now, and yeah, consult with your consultants or with your counselor to further your application.
That's
That's it for me.
it. That's all, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.